My name is Funmilayo oshinaike Ayola. I'm a film producer and also the vice chairman of Theatre Art and Motion Pictures Practitioner Association of Nigeria, Tampa and Motion Chapter. I'm here to announce the latest movie, the CEO, the wife of the owner of the hotel. That woman, the woman, she is understanding woman, a virtuous woman, an eloquent woman, enthusiastic by excellence, and she's a disciplinarian as well. When you are talking about the crew, I mean the engine room, the energy, the power room, the crews, actors, everybody perform brilliantly. When I say brilliantly, in fact, without much introduction, it's a Yoruba version. Let me just our engine room, the actors, the actresses, they are superb. You will not want to miss a bit of that film. Please, tó bá ti jáde, ẹ lọ bá wa wò lórí One Love TV. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ Afọlọ́run ẹ ṣé o. The film is coming out very soon on One Love TV. Please watch it, enjoy it. Actually, I played the role of the CEO of a particular hotel, a very rich, eloquent, and understanding and brilliant, educated woman. Please, the film will be showing again on One Love TV. Do not touch that dial. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. We love you all, both home and in diaspora. Thank you.